Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to find the exact age and creation date of any YouTube channel instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, first open the YouTube channel age checker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, simply paste a channel handle or full link into the YouTube channel handle or URL box, and click the Check Channel Age button. The tool will immediately load your channel age details, displaying the channel avatar, name, subscribers, total videos, total views, and the calculated channel age in years and months. Below that, under Detailed Timeline Data, you will see the exact creation date, exact age down to the days, and total active days. You can click the copy icon next to any specific item, or click Copy Data to copy all the timeline details at once.